war of words has intensified in Jammu and Kashmir after the BJP served a legal notice on Chief Minister Omar Abdullah seeking 100 crore rupees in damages over his allegations that the party was trying to bring down his government. The legal notice was served by the Jammu and Kashmir BJP President Sat Sharma on July 13th in response to remarks made by Omar Abdullah while addressing National Conference workers at Hazrat Bal last week. During his speech, Abdullah alleged that the BJP was attempting to engineer a split within the National Conference. He also claimed that an NC MLA from Jammu had been offered 20 to 30 crore rupees along with a ministerial berth in an attempt to persuade the legislator to switch sides. Rejecting the allegations, the BJP described Abdullah's statement as false, baseless and defamatory. The party said the remarks had damaged the reputation of both the BJP and its office bearers. The BJP demanded that the Chief Minister issue a written withdrawal and an unconditional public apology within 7 days. It warned that if he failed to do so, it would initiate civil and criminal proceedings, including a defamation suit seeking 100 crore rupees in damages. Responding to the legal notice, Omar Abdullah dismissed it as a love letter. He said the notice showed that he had become a political force that the BJP could not ignore. The political controversy has further escalated tensions between the ruling National Conference and the BJP in Jammu and Kashmir. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.